What do you think about that nose, Caleb?
Actually looks really good.
It's Christmas time! It is Sunday, February 9th, and we were going to try to golf today, but then a cold front came through and kind of ruined that plan, so decided to finish working on the car instead. So we got the bumper in last week, and then the fenders didn't come in until yesterday, and then we've got the nose piece here too. So time to unbox everything and try to get the car somewhat reassembled, or at least mocked up. We're waiting for Jeff to get back from breakfast, but yeah, so let's unbox it. I should make you do this. All right, there's the nose piece. Oh no, these are the fenders. Wow. So they are plastic, so not as weak as sheet metal. They can bounce back, hopefully, unless we really wad it up, and then we're in a world of hurt, but that's okay. It's all right. All right.
Which way are they? They are moving that way.
Thank you.
Oh man, it's not bad.
So we got a pre-made bumper. You can't do that. You just got to get close to it. You got a pre-made bumper from Speedway, and it came with, and I'm sure we're going to look like idiots at some point on the video here, but I'm going to do it anyway. These were on the bumper. They're plastic, and they're not cheap plastic. They're like really good quality, thick plastic. We have no idea what these are for, so we're still trying to figure that out. And we did start the car the other day, so that was nice. What day was that? Wednesday?
Yeah, and the pressure's about right, ain't it, Carl?
Yeah, yeah, it was between 6 and 7, but we didn't have it revved up all the way. So, yeah, our new fuel pressure regulator that hopefully is going to stop that mist that we were having it last year.
You know, the drive shaft. We gotta have the drive shaft. It wouldn't take much just to start it up driving.
Oh yeah, no, the drive shaft. So the drive shaft is being cut down. We got a new Brin transmission, and we didn't. Easy, bud. We didn't video it, but if you look down in there behind that shiny silver thing right there, that's the Brin transmission. So we converted from Burt to Brin, and not for any particular reason other than someone had a Brin offer that we couldn't pass up on, and our Burt is toast, as we've shown in previous videos. We can rebuild it, but it's going to take time and money, and it just made sense to go ahead and have a Brin in here. So the Brin is longer tail shaft than the Burt, so we have to cut our drive shaft down. So we took it down to Bowman's Drive Shafts or something like that, and he's cutting it down for us. So we'll pick it up tomorrow, Monday. So.
Oh, they're gonna be sweet.
End it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Have you told Marcus?
Oh no, it's not coming over. He's working anyway.
Man, he was good.
All right, you are in charge of making this look pretty, okay?
No.
It's sitting right here. I need your help. I can't do this by myself. Because we got to hold this together while we drill and then pop rivet it in.
What is
Hold it. Give me one of those pop rivets, the little black things.
this?
Yep. Grab that gun.
Okay. Stick the...
Mm-hmm. Yep, now stick that through this hole. All right, now go ahead and pull the trigger once, and then one more time. That's it. Now it's held in. All right. Squeeze that again. Hold it upside down. big old gap there. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hopefully use that. All right. Either it's just not cut right or I'm not doing something right. Because look how wobbly it is.
Put a pop boot right here.
There's the washer. All right. Hold on. Man, how do I do this without pinching my finger? Oh shit. I just kicked it.
There you go.
Thanks, sir.
Yep.
I got more.
All right, let me get some more water.
All right. Perfect.
All right, go.
Should I hold it upside down?
Whatever way's easiest for you, it don't matter. As long as you can push hard against it.
Okay, ready.
Ready? All right, now good. All right, so Jeff brought out some white ones. Yep, use those. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Are we all assembled?
Yeah. It's not even coming apart.
That's the idea. What you got going on in here?
Putting this screen on. Keep that radiator from getting busted by a rock.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to buy a radiator those days.
Yeah. Considering we just had to replace this one because the last one had a hole in it from a rock.
Yeah. This is to keep my blood pressure down.
What do you mean?
So whenever I reach in here to work, I don't scrape my arm.
Oh, nice. Nice.
All right. Get me that jack off.
So get a board or something?
Right there, that's good. Pop rivet, we need to put some, we don't need to pop rivet everything back
Right.
together. But we need
Just
to,
enough to mock it up?
yeah, we need to put that door on there,
Yeah.
and then we get the door on. Front and back.
Oh, wait a minute, that's the one that has the damage. What, did you damage the right side or the left side? At Bull's Gap, when you got hit? When you and that other fella collided, was that on the right side or
I
left
think
side?
it's left. Just hold that up for a second. I thought it was coming.
Yep, this is lining up.
Yeah, right there. That's not bad.
No, it ain't. Is there not a support that's supposed to run under here?
Probably not. Sure no. Sure I get that stay right there. And this down here's a little bit. Well, right there. Right there, look, that fits right up.
Yeah, and all we got to do is put a body brace underneath it to keep it shaped the way we want it.
Yeah. Now, if you look right here, you see that, if you look down that line, now it's gonna have a bow in it,
Yeah.
but you wanna get both lines. See, this side here is pretty good. Now you're gonna have it, look down that line. You're gonna have this,
Yeah.
but this line needs to run kinda straight.
Okay. And this one's kind of going that way a little bit, ain't it?
So, yeah, I don't know. And what you may end up having to do is push the center in a little bit to get this to pull out a little bit. I might be able. Right there. I don't know about that there. We'll just have to fit it together. The other side fit really good. You just gotta see this right here. See that?
Oh yeah, it just fits right in, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, this is gonna look good.
It fits up good right there, don't it?
Well, I'm just looking at the whole picture, like from back here.
Yeah.
Car looks good.
What do you think?
I think we're in business.
Yeah. I think that nose looks good, man.
Oh, it's night and day to how it was.
Hey, look, let's do this. Let's do this. Stick them on there. Or no, we better not. We better wait until we see where the pop rivets is gonna go. 'Cause
Oh, that looks clean.
I can't stand it.
You putting it on?
Glasses.
We have a Camaro. Got this blinker on.
What do you think? Is that a blinker?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there. Oh yeah. Like a glove. Nice.
you think about that nose, Caleb?
Actually looks really good.
I just about pop rivet that right there. There ain't nothing wrong with that, is there?
I don't think so. But do we want to just wait until we have the car dropped?
Yeah, maybe. Well, I could put one right here.
Because remember, I'm getting the drive shaft tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to do it all tomorrow.
Yeah. Coming together.
Right? We gotta do the linkages.
Yeah, I need to do that. I need to get underneath there and get that hooked up so I know what I gotta have on the other one.
So yeah, we fixed the shift linkages, fill the transmission fluid, top it off anyway.
And the wrap, ain't the wrap done?
He sent me a proof, but I don't know.
Hey, Trammel?
Trammel. Well, Trammel sent it to Marcus. Marcus sent it to me. Okay.
I like putting them on.
Okay.
Oh.
My first wrap I did on my Classic was spotless. My second one was a disaster.
Well, you can't get in a hurry with a wrap.
Yeah.
I mean, it just takes patience.
Yeah.
Even if you just got to walk away from it till the next day.
Yeah, really?
You ain't going to tear them up.
Oh, yeah, they're thick. Yeah.
I mean, you can tear them. They will tear. If
Right.
they start to tear, they will tear easy. But you'll not rip one in half.
Right.
You know? And I learned that by watching people that does it for a living. Them guys.
Yeah.
Holy hell, man.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss our little homemade 156 here.
Yeah? Yeah, it's got history on it.
Not much, really.
I need to find this other one. I was looking for another. This car right here would be ready to go. It'd be.
All right, you heard it here first. This car's ready to go. So.
Well, it will be ready to go. I mean, it's come together pretty good. We gotta get the drive shaft in it. Drive shaft's the only thing keeping from running it.
Yep. Go ahead and sign this thing off. But it's a good day. So we are going to this week. We'll be getting the drive shaft out from Bowman's. I'm getting that tomorrow.
Don't let me forget. I still need to do those 2 motor mounts on this side.
Okay.
I mean, it's being held up by what's got it in there, but
Yeah.
I need to do
that. Yeah, so we'll get the drive shaft tomorrow, and then he's gotta fix the linkages. The linkages are the wrong size between the bird and the bren, so he's gotta redo the linkage. And then Jensen does the body work this week, I think. And our wrap is already in. We've already gotten a couple of previews of the wrap, so it's on its way. So we're getting close. We were 1 month from go time. 1 month from yesterday is the final practice at Smoky. And then 5 weeks from yesterday is race number 1 of the 2025 season. So I was really nervous that we weren't going to get there, but I think we're going to be fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
We're going to be fine.
Got all kinds of time.
All kinds of time. Nothing could possibly go wrong from this point. Anyway, all right, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for y'all for your support. And we're getting ready to have a real busy season, so we can't wait to take you all along with us. Thank you.